guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. So as you guys know, I have my products in stores now, so I am sending this order to my retailer in Texas. So yeah, I'm just getting this ready, and what I need to do is add labels to them. So I'm just putting the ones that don't have labels right here, and then the ones that do have labels, which is only a few because I ran out of labels. I'm putting those up there. But yeah, I may have to go to Staples, but we shall see. So these ones have labels, and then these ones don't have labels. So if you guys want to know how to make your own labels, y'all know I have a video up for you guys. I have about 2 videos showing you guys how I make my labels. And yeah, so how many do I have? I only have a few labels left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means I would need labels for these ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the labels on these, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I have one down. I need to put it back in the box. And if you guys want to support my brand and shop these lip glosses, they are on my website for only $3.90. They're so cute. And I had them out of stock for a while on my website, but that's just because I had to send a huge stock to my retailer. But I will have another stock in soon, so I'll take this out. Like that. And I usually put the labels on before I put them in here, of course, but I just wanted them to be out the way, so that's why I put them in the boxes. So I just put it on this. So cute, guys. I really don't promote my lip glosses as much as I should, but I am going to start back. These colors are so stinking cute. So cute, guys. Okay, guys, so I have most of them done, and they look so cute. My labels are so cute and creative. So this is how they look. I have a lot of purple going on, and then I have these ones as well. These ones are already in the boxes though. But girl, I had these lip gloss shades since like the summertime. They were supposed to launch with my In My Bag collection, and I don't know what I had going on, but I did not launch like none of them. So yeah, I was like, I slowly like launched them on my website, but I didn't do like a full launch or whatever. I had them in my lash cases. So if you guys remember my In My Bag collection with the lash braces, I had those inside of there, and I never like launched them individually. They just were like sold with the collection or whatever. But yeah, they look so freaking cute. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me and show love. So if you guys want to come over and we can do like an engagement thing where like your business page likes my business page stuff and comments, and then I do the same to you guys. I could even start a group up, but honestly I'm like horrible with groups, so I don't know. But yeah, so I will know, like, because there's certain people that like every last post of mine, and I make sure I do the same with theirs. So yeah, make sure you guys come over and be active on my Instagram page, and I'll try to do my best to do the same on yours. So yeah, it's very good to be like interactive and stuff with your followers. So that's how I try to be. You gotta just try your best to stand out. That's all I can say. But anyways, yeah, so I have these done. They will be shipped to their new home. Her grand opening is this weekend. I will have the flyer up on the screen. So if you guys are in Texas, please, if you can, please go support me and go support her as well. I'm sure if you guys aren't interested in my product, she has a lot of things that you guys will be interested in. If you guys do go, make sure you guys tell her that Kanisha sent you and your boss friend or whatever. She's only 22, so yeah, she's really doing good. And if you guys, to those of you that are watching, make sure you guys are grinding and keep on doing what you're supposed to be doing. I know those days where you're super unmotivated and you don't want to do none of this, but just try to just keep going. Even if you get one little thing done, try to make a list, try to just get something done. If y'all knew how many times a day I get unmotivated, or how many days a week I get unmotivated, y'all be like, damn, like what the, yeah, it's normal, guys. It's normal. We're not robots, we're humans. So just keep on pushing, and I promise those goals that you have, you will accomplish them as long as you're working towards them. So just always tell yourself that, and things will get done. As long as you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, you're going to accomplish your goals. So yeah, sorry for the little rant. But yeah, so I'm sending these to her, and I'm so thankful and so blessed. Like I said, if you are in Texas and you can make it, I would really appreciate that. Okay guys, so I am going to continue the video on for tomorrow. I think that really helped me out since I am trying to upload 5 out of 7 days of the week. So sometimes I do run out of content, or I just have so much going on to where I can't get everything up that day. So I think it'll be better if I start recording in advance. Make sure you guys come back to my channel tomorrow, because I will have the rest of this video and I'll be talking to you guys about different things. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have my post notifications on so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate you guys so much. I've been shopping with you guys so much lately. Well, I always do, but I've been shopping with you guys a lot. So make sure you guys shop with me as well, and you know, we're just supporting each other. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And as you guys know, I started this new thing on my channel where I give back to you guys even more. So today's discount code is labels, and with this code you'll be able to have free access to my webinar replay. So I have 3 webinar replays available on kdkbeauty.com. They are $9.99, and you guys really love them. My most asked question is how to find vendors, how to get custom eyelash packaging. Guys, I give you that information on my website for a great price. So you cannot beat the price. You guys even use discount codes. I have nothing but positive, great feedback from those webinars. They have so much information in them, and I just love helping you guys. So make sure you guys check those out if you haven't already. Even if you have vendors, I still give you guys the information on just like how to find vendors and just different tips and tricks on different things. And yeah, so make sure you guys go check that out. It's always linked down below in my description box. This code will only be valid for one time, so only one person will be able to use this code. So this is for those of you that come to my channel as soon as your girl uploads and comments, likes, watch the video all the way through, and just supports me 100%, because it does take a lot to create these videos, and I give you guys so much information. The code for today's video is labels, so make sure you guys hurry up and head to my website. Make sure you guys are giving me likes and comments on all of my videos, because it really helps me out more than you guys know. Check out my wholesale page, also my Facebook group. My Facebook group is growing, so make sure you guys are a part of it. I'm going to start being so active in there, but I'm just trying to get everything situated and organized. I don't want to be overwhelmed, so I check in on there whenever I can. But to those of you that are joined, thank you so much. And make sure you guys, if you need help with anything, like right away, just post in that group and I'll see the notification quicker than I usually will on YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and I appreciate you so much. All right, bye boss friends.